AI videos are everywhere right now, but most of them still look fake, inconsistent, or broken. Faces change, motion feels floaty, and storytelling just doesn't work. But today, I'm testing Kling 3 inside Higgsfield, and honestly, this feels like the first AI video model that actually understands filmmaking. In this video, I'll cover the real benefits of Kling 3, a complete step-by-step workflow I use to create this video, and how you can start using it yourself. So let's get into it. Before the tutorial, you need to understand why Kling 3 is special. 1. Multi-shot cinematic generation. Most AI tools generate one random clip at a time. Kling 3 can generate multi-shot sequences in one flow, meaning camera angles, shot sizes, and transitions actually make sense. This is huge for storytelling. Ads, reels, YouTube videos, it finally feels like a real scene, not a stitched experiment. 2. Strong character and element consistency. This is one of the biggest problems in AI video, and Kling 3 solves it. Faces stay the same, clothes stay the same, objects don't randomly change. Even when the camera zooms, pans, or moves, the identity remains locked. That alone makes Kling 3 usable for professional work. 3. Native audio plus better lip sync. Kling 3 supports native audio inside the model. Characters don't just move, they speak naturally with better lip sync and expression. This makes dialogue scenes feel intentional instead of robotic. 4. Clean text and details. Text is usually a nightmare in AI videos, but Kling 3 handles titles, signs, UI, subtitles with minimal distortion, perfect for ads, explainers, and branded content. 5. Longer, higher quality outputs. You can generate clips from 3 to 15 seconds in one go. That means fewer cuts, better continuity, more cinematic pacing. Overall, Kling 3 feels like a production tool, not just a fun AI toy. I've actually created this entire video using Kling 3, and trust me, look at this output. It's insane.
I don't train for looks. I train to erase weakness. Every rep is a confession. I'm scared of being ordinary, so I attack the day first. Pain signs my attendance. That's why I stay standing.
Now let me quickly teach you the full workflow step by step. First, go to higgsfield.ai. On the home page, click on Image Generation. Now select the Nano Banana Pro model. After that, add your reference face image. This helps maintain character consistency. Next, describe your scene. Don't worry about prompts. I've already prepared ready-made prompts for both images and video. You just need to copy and paste them. Since I'm creating a YouTube video, I selected the 16:9 aspect ratio landscape format. Also, enable unlimited generations. Then simply hit generate. Using this same method, you can generate all your scenes as images. Once all images are generated, download them. Now move to the video section. Here, make sure you select Kling 3. Upload your first image frame, then click on Elements. Add a few of your images, write the character name, and briefly describe the character. After that, copy the video prompt and paste it here. For resolution, I personally select 1080p for better quality results. Hit generate. Repeat the same steps for the remaining scenes. Once all video clips are generated, download everything. Finally, open any video editing software. Import all the clips, add them in sequence, and then add your voiceover. But you can use your own voice or any AI voice tool. Align everything properly, add sound effects, choose a suitable background music, and that's it. Your cinematic AI video is complete. So, is Kling 3 worth the hype? In my opinion, yes. This is one of the first AI video models that feels structured, reliable, production ready. It's not just about visuals anymore, it's about control and consistency. And Kling 3 delivers on that promise. If you want to try Kling 3 Unlimited, check the link in the description. There's a limited time discount available, and I've also pinned all the important links and details in the comments. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, Subscribe for more AI and creator tools and let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.